Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a speed of an express train is x kilometers per hour and the speed of the ordinary train is 12 kilometers per hour less than the express train. So let's assume x be the speed of an express train and x minus 12 be the speed of an ordinary train, because ordinary train speed is 12 kilometers per hour less than the express train speed. So x minus 12 is the speed of ordinary train and the distance is 240 kilometers. So we need to find the time for both the trains. So we know that time equals to distance by speed, distance divided by speed. So express train's time is, the distance is 240 kilometers and the speed is x. So 240 divided by x. Similarly, the ordinary train time is 240 divided by x minus 12. Given if ordinary train takes 1 hour longer than the express train to cover that distance, we can write the expression as 240 divided by x minus 12 minus 240 divided by x equals to 1. So if we simplify this, we'll get 240x. So take LCM and simplify. We'll get 240x minus 240 into x minus 12 divided by x into x minus 12 equals to 1. So if we distribute like this, we'll get 240x minus 240x plus 2880 equals to x square and minus 12x. So now 240x minus 240x cancels out. If you move all the terms to one side, we'll get x square minus 12x minus 2280 equals to 0. Now find the factors of this. Now find the factors of this quadratic equations. So which of the two numbers add up to minus 12 and multiply up to minus 2880? So the numbers are 48 and minus 60. So the factors of the quadratic equation, this quadratic equation becomes x plus 48 into x minus 60 equals to 0. Now find the values of x. So x is equals to minus 48 or x is equals to 60. So x is nothing but a speed. So speed can't be a negative. So we need to consider only positive value, which is 60. So we can conclude that the speed of the express train is 60 kilometers per hour. Speed of the express train is 60 kilometers per hour and speed of an ordinary train is 60 minus 12, because speed of the ordinary train is 12 kilometers per hour less than the express train. So 60 minus 12, which is 48 kilometers per hour. So this is the speed of the ordinary train. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.